I got myself a new truck, 2017 Chevy Colorado Z71, and this might be the last ride of the year. I'm trying to get them in while I can now that I got the truck, but a little too late on that. But we got the Raptor all loaded up in the back, ready to go. So we made it to this spot. There's only one other person here, and they were getting towed in. So hopefully nothing bad happens to me. Don't want to jinx myself, but you know, my luck. But I am by myself, but I'm probably not going to go for too long. But let's get this thing unloaded. Slipping and sliding on me. It just kept wanting to go off the edge. I was like, Jesus Christ, dude. Oh. All right, it's a bit nippy out. It's November, what is it? November 3rd, 3:16. I only got like a couple hours left of daylight. Figured I'd try to get out here and get one probably final ride in. But hey, check it out, my new truck. I just picked this up last week. I'm in the process of selling my other car to Carvana right now, which has been a nightmare because my mileage on my Carfax is messed up. But yeah, it's a 2017 Z71 with 60k miles on it, and the guy oiled the frame, one owner, super clean. I buffed the whole thing, and yeah, but I definitely got to get this bed line, because right when my back tires touched this, I was barely moving and it just wanted to slide sideways on me, which you'll see in the video. So, all right, let's get the freaking ride in here. God, it's so rough getting up here. Holy shit. I should have gone the other way. Nice leisurely drive. My neutral just not working. And now it's in neutral. I don't understand. Look at this view. You used to be able to turn around right there, but for some reason, maybe because of the power lines, they didn't want people accidentally maybe running into those. But now you turn around right here. But look at this. Look at all that. I made it to the top. My arms are shot already. I'm so out of shape. I'm already getting an arm pump. There's so many rocks on the way up the freaking trail that I'm on right now, going up the hill. But there she is. I don't know if it's still leaking coolant. It's like on and off. It's like leaks sometimes and it doesn't leak other times. So I don't know. But it's a very slow leak. So for right now, I'm not worrying about it. But look at this view. All by my lonesome though. All by my lonesome. Time to go back down there. This thing really is hard to kind of be smooth on though. It's not as like luggy as like everybody says. It's pretty like just wanting to go, but you gotta be real easy on the throttle, or else it's just like still I loosened the compression and shit on the shocks, but I don't have the spanner wrench to actually adjust the spring itself, so it's a little stiff still. I do want to loosen it up a bit, try to get a little more comfort. Hatchery. What time is it? I don't want to be that guy. Oh my god, it's 3:59. I guess I'll go in and turn right around. But it says don't go in after 4. It's literally 3:59. Just turned 3:59. So I'm gonna not be that guy. God, this thing's so fast. So I just got back, and dude, those straightaways are freaking cold, dude. It's like, dude, it feels like it's like 30 or like less when you're going down those straights ripping, dude. And I'm wearing a couple layers. I got 2 sweatshirts on and a long sleeve underneath, and I got my jeans and my Van boots that I bought, and I got freaking long johns underneath these jeans. So I don't freaking, dude, might be the last ride of the season. I don't know if it's gonna get any warmer. It looks like midweek it might be a little warmer, but I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. I freaking dinged my my bed though. That's a little sad. Right when I first put it in, it's a little sad. It's a truck. Strap this thing down. Got her all loaded up, freaking strapped down. She ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. But oh, it's so nice having a truck. I can just do things now that I want. And it's easier than having a trailer. I thought about getting the trailer, but then I was like, so much easier having a truck. You know, lugging shit around. So, you know, gotta account for the trailer too. Just throw the four-wheeler in the back, call it good. And it's perfect clearance. I have it scooted over to the right a little bit just so that freaking ramp fits, but plenty of room. Squeezes right in there, just nice. I did ding right in front of my bumper there, but I plan on getting this thing bedlined, because when you'll see it later, I've already said this, but the freaking the tailgate's so slick, and it was just sliding and it just kept trying to spin it off to the side. So I had to get it right to the edge and then crawl back around, like pull it to the edge and then crawl back around to freaking get it to go down the ramp straight without going all cockeyed. So, all right, let's get back in this nice warm truck here, dude. Hit the road. Oh, the heated seat's so nice. What does piss me off though, my Apple CarPlay stopped working on the way here. So I gotta figure out what that's all about. So I'll go bitch about it to my work and be like, it's not working. Update. I didn't even leave yet. I plugged my phone in. It's working. It's working. I don't know. So I'm on the road. Just at the gas station. Got me a bag of Doritos and some Trulies. Because you know me, I love my Trulies. And I had to pull over, and so I threw the bag away at a gas station. Another gas station that's closed. And because my freaking hands are just covered in that shit. But anyways, I'm heading back. Successful, I guess. Maybe last ride. Way too fucking cold. It wasn't about it. But yep. So stay tuned. I might go for another ride. So catch you on the next one.